Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be discussing the study that is completed by Anthropic on the effect of AI on labor market. Means they were trying to analyze the effect of artificial intelligence on different job sectors, different markets. So you can see this spider plot beautifully covers the use of AI, practical use as well as theoretical use. So the red region that you're seeing is the practical use, means where the AI is being already deployed, where it is working efficiently. And the blue region is the theoretical use of AI, that in future, maybe this is what AI is going to do, and it's going to cover that much amount of the work that is being done in that particular area. If we start with management, you can see right now there is some progress in the area of management with AI, but theoretical coverage is huge. Theoretical coverage is huge for management, business and finance, computer and math. We can understand, right now we don't have to program because AI is there, understand everything. Claude is there, GPT is there, it can actually code for you, and you can create websites in minutes, right? And then architecture and engineering, even life science and social sciences. Life sciences and social sciences, they are having a lot of opportunities there. So that blue region is the theoretical use of AI. And as you can see over here in life sciences, because this is something is very close to us, right? Life sciences, there is this peak that is going on. And that means there are so many AI-based tools that people are using in the area of life science and social sciences. But theoretical aspect, according to Anthropic study, it says that a lot of opportunities are there, and the progress is going to be there in those areas. Then you have legal, education and library, arts and media. This region is the region where you have a lot of digital work that is being done by people, and also some repetitive work that is done by people, right? When you come on the other side, you can see all these different sectors where you need more like human interactions. So anywhere where you require a little bit of human interaction, you require less digitization, those jobs are not going to be covered by AI. Saying is the job, if job requires human interaction, it's a little bit complex, it's more physical, it's more emotional, and then those jobs probably are not going to get affected by AI. AI in a short run. You never know in long run what will happen, right? So these are the jobs like protective services, food and serving. You have ground maintenance, personal care, even sales. Sales is something, yes, AI will do, because it's doing a lot of stuff in marketing. Office and admin, I think it should go on that side, so the plot will look better, right? Office and admin is really in a difficult position, because a lot of office work can be automated by using AI. Okay, now on that side you can see transportation, production, installation and repair, construction, agriculture. Even agriculture is somewhere AI is not making progress pretty soon, and theoretical coverage of AI is also not covering agriculture. It's not covering installation, repair, construction, transportation and all. Well, there is some work already being hypothesized, but practically right now nothing has been done. A lot of stuff is going in this direction. That is where you have legal, you have education, you have computer, math, business management. A lot of office and admin, a lot of white collar jobs they've been targeted with AI, according to this study. I'll put the link in the description box, and if you're interested, please go through this particular study. And before we conclude, let me tell you, we also have a resource that can prepare for you for future jobs, especially when you are doing research. In research, AI is also very, very helpful. So all the courses that we have created, I have some form of AI tool that we can use to enhance your research skills, right? Please go and visit the website and let me know if you have taken any of the course. Any doubt you have regarding that particular course, you can directly email me, contact me. I'll be happy to help you out with that. All right. Take care, everyone.